We sat in back at the car for once, so it's good. I'll just show you so you can see the drone, okay? Sat in the back of the car, me and dog. So we're going to have a bit of a do. Hang on, here we go. We're nearly ready. Just get satellites. You had satellites and no fucked it off. We're back on now. We're back on. Let's go. Looks like it's
take off.
rain.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright. Are we happy? Are we happy? We're happy. We're happy. Okay. Let's go. Looks like it could rain at any minute, to be honest. But sometimes this is the best kind of light to film in, you know. Like this. I was hoping I could get a train, but it doesn't seem like it's going to happen, to be honest. Hard to get a train. We'll have a do. We'll have a do. Maybe. I hope there is one. It'd be good if I could catch one. Do you know, the Mavic Air still... What a fantastic drone. These people that fucking write it off because of Wi-Fi is a load of shit. It's great. It is great. I mean, I've got it in FCC, so maybe that's the difference. But for me, it's a wonderful, wonderful drone. Always has been, still is now. Fuck the train. There we go. We got the fucking train. Let's have it. Alright, let's go. Hang on a minute. Get the fucking track. We're there. Let's go into sports mode. Alright, let's go. Where are you? Fucking train. Come on. This is rare. Rare as rocking horse shit. Train coming through. Rare that you catch it anyway. There we are. See if we can follow it a bit. 23, I'm against the wind, but we'll see. It goes under this tunnel here. Come on. This is the best we can do in sports mode. At the minute, we're not going to catch it. Maybe we come down a bit. Keep going. Oh man, we're so slow. This can't be right. In sports mode, 17 mile an hour. The wind is bad up there, I'll be honest with you. It should come out at the other side here. Maybe we'll see it, maybe. Hang on. Can you? I can hear it screaming, it fucking air. Can't go quick enough. Hold on. I think it's raining actually. Is it fucking raining? I don't know if that was a dot of water then on the camera. Oh, I think it's raining, folks. We've got to come back actually. But I got a bit of it, that's the main thing. I got a bit of it. Fuck, that's rain, is that? Come on, let's come back now. It's raining. It is raining, shit. Okay. Let's get back. Come on. It is raining. I couldn't feel it because I'm in here. Alright, we're coming, we're coming. Alright, down we come. It's raining! Fuck! At least I got a bit, that's the main thing. I got a bit. You know? Where are you? Here we are. That was great. At least I got some at train. That's fucking excellent. Excellent. Let's find the bastard.
Landing.
Woohoo! How are you? Yeah, got a dot of rain on it.